thermostat, probe, meat, freezer, weather station, multimeter. These are the 6 essential thermometers I have in my home, and I'll show you a few features of how to use each. First off, the thermostat has 2 batteries and 5 buttons on the front. You can turn on the fan manually with the fan button, or press menu to program, change the time, date, etc. Press the mode button to heat, cool, or turn the system off. A quick operational overview of this kitchen timer meat thermometer. Switch it on, start and stop the stopwatch feature. If you start adding minutes and seconds, it turns into a countdown timer indicated by this down arrow. If you clear this with pushing the second and hour button, we'll stop first, then push both buttons to clear and start just this way. The arrow points up for stopwatch feature. You can turn off the beeps for silent operation. You can also select the type of meat you're cooking. Kitchen timer, meat thermometer. You can switch between LED indicator or LED plus beep. As you can see here, I'm playing around with this thing that needs new batteries and keeps shutting off because I haven't actually used it for months. And figuring out the stopwatch and timer features. As you can see here, I'm cycling through the different meat options, causing the timer to go off. The alarm, that is, where the LED light will flash and the beep will optionally also beep when the meat reaches the correct temperature. And now we're going to see how many hours you can have this go for. It looks like 19 hours total, plus as many minutes as you can fit. Now on to the mechanical meat thermometer that can go in the oven. As you can see, it is weighted so it will center itself right side up. And here we have the freezer or refrigerator thermometer. Now you'll see there's a little condensation on there. I put it in a few minutes ago. You might have to wipe your finger across there to see. This is meant to hang on a wire rack, but as you can see, if I slide the 2 metal hooks together, it can hang on a cup or a can. It has a blue highlighted area for the freezer temperatures and another for refrigerator temperatures. It also has Celsius, but you can't really see it with the tiny numbers on the bottom. And it has to be at just the right angle to see the red indicator. This is my Taylor weather thermometer. You can use the front button to switch the top and bottom displays. It stands. On the back, you have buttons to show the 24-hour high and low temperature, max, min, current, and also set between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Takes 2 AAA batteries. Again, this is the max, min, current, and switching Celsius to Fahrenheit. And back. This is the multimeter I use, and it can detect temperature, but not for food, so I don't use it for that. It detects temperature for things like motors, electronics, electrical, HVAC. So most of the things I use it for require that this black plug be switched to the common ground. So this setting here can detect resistance if you have resistors you're measuring, or continuity, which I use it for, Check for a broken wire in my extension cords or coax. And here is the DC voltage setting for checking household batteries. And finally, the alternating current for checking your household wiring before changing a light bulb fixture. And here's what the back looks like for hanging it up or standing it up.